Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Scorpios, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies, this is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. Scorpios, if you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. We have Justice in reverse, Chariot in reverse, and Five of Stars in reverse. So with these cards, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship, guys. So in your situation today, Scorpios, there are some things that are going beyond your expectation. It may be the people's behavior or your situation. You were expecting something, but something else is there in place of that, and you feel really lost and stressed. You don't know which way to go or what to think or what to decide, guys. Maybe. And the reason maybe you are quite ambitious. You have great dreams or great goals for yourself, maybe about your work or about this relationship, and you have great expectations for your life, and that may be the reason for troubles today, guys. And you are working hard maybe towards impossible dreams and goals you have. Maybe you need to tone down your expectations. You have to be more practical. That is what I feel. That may be the reason, guys. Maybe for some of you, you are practical and down to earth. You are your expectations are not too high, but what is happening in your life is not up to your expectations. So you feel really lost and stressed, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys. And I also see that in your situation, you are unable to understand this person you love or unable to understand someone in your life. So they are telling you something, suggesting you certain things, but you do not want to listen to them, or you do not appreciate their ideas or their vision, whatever they have for you or your life. So you just want to neglect this person, but they are someone who is really truthful to you, who has honest intentions towards you, guys, and that is the reason they are suggesting you certain things. But you cannot tolerate them, tolerate their ideas, tolerate the way things are between you both, and you just want to move away from this person, leave them out of your circle, abandon them or neglect them. So it may be in your work situation, Scorpios, or it may be in your relationship, guys. So it may be someone from your family, someone trying to suggest you certain things about your relationship, but you're not willing to listen. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Four of Spears in reverse, guys. So with this card, guys, for your relationship, Four of Spheres in reverse. Maybe in your situation, if you truly love this person and if that person truly loves you, and you know that for sure, and if you are willing to tone down your expectations or maybe wait patiently for them to understand you and hold on in these stressful times, you are going to come out on top, guys. You are simply going to win if you are able to weather the storm in your relationship today, guys, Scorpios. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have Prince of Suns. So with this card, in your career, you are someone who is really talented, skilled, and you know what is the right thing to do, and you are in a very important position in your work situation, guys. Maybe you are a team leader or a manager. You are someone who is strong minded and a visionary. So you have great dreams and goals for yourself. So we were speaking about that, guys. Huge expectations or aspirations you have for your life today, Scorpios, and that is the reason you are in such a good position in your work situation today, guys. So that is all I see with these cards, guys. That is the reading for you all today. I hope you like this reading. Thank you for watching, Scorpios. If you want more clarity in your situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So whichever card you want to choose, you can first close your eyes, think about your situation, then open your eyes after a few seconds of silence. So when you choose the card, that reading may resonate, guys, may answer your questions or doubts you have in your mind. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card. I will keep this card aside. We will see what is the card here. We have the Frog Prince. Intimacy. So with this card, guys, the energy is that maybe in your situation today, there is someone interested in you, they are coming towards you, but you are not willing to let themselves come towards you. You are pushing them away from you, maybe because you are scared of intimacy with that person. Intimacy does not mean a very close relationship. It also means that having open hearted communication with that person, guys. So you are afraid of that. You are afraid of that true intimacy and the challenges it brings. Maybe you have an image of yourself and you don't want to, and you always you always portray the image you have, but you don't want this person to know the truth, what you are in truth. So you are afraid of something. So that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you. So that is the energy here, guys. So maybe there is someone interested in you, and maybe if you are willing to let down your guard, let this person understand your truth, what is there in your heart, you are simply going to see beautiful changes in your life, and there is going to be a beautiful relationship flourishing for you guys, and you need to understand that. That is the energy with this card. And when you are truly intimate with someone, it has its own rewards, and today that is the reason you are pushing this person away from you, because you do not want them to know what is there in your heart and what you are. That is the reason you are keeping them at a distance. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading with the first card, the Frog Prince. So let's see what is the second card, guys. The second card, for those who chose this card, let's see, it is check your emotions. So with this card, guys, it just means that today in your situation, maybe there is a particular circumstance today and you are feeling really emotional, and sometimes when we are emotional, our feelings get the better of us and we react immediately and we go for spontaneous impulses. Whatever we want to say, we just blurt it out. But today we need to keep our emotions and feelings in check. because this is the time for appropriate responses, so not reactions. So when we feel really angry, sad, or we are desperate in some situation, we should not express all that to hurt the other person. In that heat of the moment, we should not let our words hurt that other person. So we should keep a check on that, keep a check on our emotions today. And when we do that, we will be able to find a balance, and it is a very good thing. It's a very great thing for us and for that other person in the long run, guys. So when we express our happiness or sadness through in a very careful manner, through appropriate responses instead of reactions, it is going to change the way things are between us, and it is going to be helpful in finding the balance we need in our life, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose the second card. That is the reading, guys, for y'all. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.